Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. So, on the channel, I have been making videos on a wide area of stuff. I mean, anywhere from fishing to outdoors, technology, computers, home projects. We're going to try to reel it in a little bit, and we're going to focus on the smart home and home projects for a while, and mainly on the smart home. Now, I've been working on smart home for a long time, and I want to be able to show you things that not to do. I've made some mistakes on it. I started a long time ago, and I want to make this into, since we all carry iPhones and iPads and MacBooks and stuff, I want to make it an Apple smart home, a HomeKit home. And the first thing you need for that would be a hub. So you think of it like a wheel having a hub and spoke with all the devices on the outside of it. Networks are that way and the whole bit. So found on the Apple Refurbished store a 3rd generation Apple TV. So you got to have, with the newest architecture, you got to have an Apple TV, one of the latest ones, or a HomePod or HomePod Mini. Okay, I don't really like the speaker microphone things all in the house, of which we've got all that crap anyway. So I bought an Apple TV. Our Roku had been flaking out anyway. We had a Roku Ultra, and so I want to go ahead and unbox this thing. Oh, it's got a pull tab. So I found it on the Refurbished store. These things are generally the ones that are wired with 128 gigs of storage, $149. I found this one for $129. So I'm going to be able to use my new camera setup, which you'll see a video on that shortly. I have a new top-down shot, so let's pull the camera up here. So here's the box that you get. I'm going to show you my address and everything. Pull tab. This is my very first Apple TV. This is the Apple TV 4K. And like I said, it's refurbished, but I get a lot of stuff on the refurbished side. It says Apple Certified Refurbished right there. It's generally a brand new device when you get it. It shows cinematic quality, 4K, HDR, Dolby Vision, enhance your TV experience with AirPlay, HomePod, and AirPods, and it's an Apple Home Hub. So everything that's HomeKit certified will work through this. So we'll take these little pull tabs off. Show you what's in the box. And it was the only one they had on the Refurbished store. But I said, heck, if I can save $20. What's in there good? So here's the little box. It's got tape around it. So we'll take all the little tapes off of it. So there we have it. So we have HDMI, gigabit Ethernet, and power. And that's it. And what's a fingerprint magnet? I think it's got a little light on the front to tell you that it's working. Kind of excited about this. First one I ever had. Okay, that little pull tab didn't work. Here's the remote. I'm going to tear it. There we go. There's the remote. Heavy little device. There's the microphone, or the push to talk. Good deal. And here's the necessary documentation that you get with all Apple things. No stickers. Most of this is just regulatory stuff. There's a description on everything. Shows all the buttons and the click pad and how to hook it up. Then you have a nice black power cable, and that is it. That's all you get in that box. There you have it. Well, it's a fingerprint magnet. So another thing I got with this, I got the same thing with my Roku. You need a place for it on the back of the TV, so I found a Rely mount for Apple TV. So this will have 3M adhesive on it, and it'll mount on the back of the TV, and you just set the Apple TV in it. Okay, so it came with a thank you card, and then it shows how to use it. It also comes with screws too if you want to screw it into the wall, but we're just going to put it on the TV, and it says wait 45 minutes before inserting the Apple TV in it. There's me a couple of screws if I ever need them. So we got the 3M adhesive. You can do it like that, or you can do it the other way. And all your connectors and everything still fit and everything, and it'll just fit right on back the TV like that. So you're not just leaving it hanging there or anything. Alright, so let me get it everything ready to set it up, and we will set it up real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got Ethernet cable, I got HDMI, get it plugged in. Now I'm going to use it on my 24-inch monitor in here so I can set it up and everything, get it all ready. Go ahead and put the power on. And it's got a little flashing light here, and okay, now it says hello, press the center or the touch surface to continue. Okay, we're going to go English. United States. Alright, privacy. You can actually learn more. Okay, you can set it up, use your iPhone to automatically add your Apple ID, Wi-Fi, and other settings, or set up manual remote. We're going to do it with the iPhone. And I've got my iPhone sitting right here. Unlock your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Connect to a Wi-Fi network, turn on Bluetooth, and hold the device close. So I'm going to unlock it. It says set up your Apple TV. I'm going to hit setup. We'll put that code in. And it says setting up your Apple TV. I should have found a better way to record this. So we're going to see how it does this. So far, that's pretty neat. Okay, require password after making a purchase. We're going to go ahead and say always require. Settings from your iPhone, allow Siri. Apple will not review, allow apps, and share analytics. We'll hit continue. You can customize them. Have a TV provider? No, we don't. We got rid of that. All we do is stream now. We're going to say it's in the living room. Siri can recognize your voice, even my voice. See the world with aerial screensavers. You can enjoy HD video of beautiful locations. Sure. Share with app developers on analytics. Yes, I do. I'm an app developer myself, so yes. This is agreeing to the warranty. Terms and conditions. Yes. And there is the Apple TV, just that quick. And now we can go in and start setting up our applications that we have. We can go to settings, we can look at user accounts. Now I'm going to add my wife as an additional user. Video and audio. Now it's right now, and when I hit done, it actually pulled up the remote on my Apple TV. It actually pulled up my Roku as well, which that'll be moving. But it's actually got 1080, which in the living room would be 4K. You can go in and set up your audio, which a lot of people are already going to know this because they have these. You can calibrate. My dog's going nuts. Notifications. You can do that. HomeKit. Now that's going to be some of the videos that we do coming up. We're going to be able to do this. We can have cameras and doorbells, secure accessories, the whole bit coming right off this, and that is going to be so cool. Remotes and devices, it'll tell you what the battery level is. You can set your remote up just the way you want it. Accessibility, you know, if you're having hearing or vision problems, you can do that. We can go in and add all of our Netflix, Amazon, all that stuff to it. We can see if there are any software updates. We can get the beta updates. Now there's a beta Apple TV OS 14 or whatever. I'm not going to do that. We're just going to do it. An update is available at 16.5. We're going to go ahead and get that. And we're going to let it update software. So far, I don't want to jinx myself, but that's one of the easiest things I've ever set up. It says 3 minutes remaining. And Apple minutes are usually 3 minutes. You know, it's that's pretty cool. So when I get done with this, I'll go ahead and take the little mount out there, mount it on the TV. I'll take some alcohol, wipe it off, put the 3M on it, let it sit for 45 minutes, and get it going. And then we've got to go through the whole arduous process of getting the wife used to it and everything. She is a non-technical person. She's doing a lot better. She don't get into all the smart home stuff like I do. So that's another thing. You have to, if your significant other is not into all that stuff, you've still got to make manual controls for everything. So yeah, it's not losing this is going to be tough. Looks like we do have, I hope it's USB-C charging on the back of it. We'll see. Luckily, I've got USB-C chargers all over the house now. Like I said, it does have a push-to-talk button. Hopefully the volume controls, power on, and all that stuff will work. Once we get it out there, we'll go through all that. But yeah, that's cool. That's a nice remote. I'd like to see if I can get a case for it, you know, so it's not slick. when you're getting old and everything, your hands will get a little slick. But I'm excited to have it. I really am. So we're going to finish getting the updates. I'll bring you back out when we're putting it on the living room TV. Okay, we're going to finish the video this evening. I've had a couple of screw ups with my camera, so got the Apple TV all hooked up, working good. I'll show you what the back looks like with the Rely mount. Everything went on really good. Got it connected gigabit Ethernet right behind the TV. This is a Samsung 4K TV from 2017. The remote paired up without me intervening at all. It is amazing. I mean, hold the power button down, goes off, turn it back on. Come on, don't make a liar out of me. When it comes back on, it shows the user profile, and you can switch users right here just by holding the home button. Gives you all your date time, what you were playing and everything. I need to watch that. And gives you your home kit, AirPlay, the whole bit right there. You can set it up to either go to the Apple TV app or to your home screen. I've got it set up. I've actually turned off the little touchpad here. I didn't really like it, but it is 4K HDR. I've got all the applications added, and it works in conjunction with your phone and your watch. You can control it with your Apple Watch, phone, iPad, whatever, and putting the apps on was just as easy as doing them on your phone. You go right to the App Store. There they are. Download them. Put your username and password, email, whatever in, or an activation code from your phone, and it goes. I mean, this has been the simplest thing to set up that I have used. It has the Siri microphone button on the side of it. You hold it and go open YouTube.
We could use fancy words like succulent,
That quick.
ambrosial, or epicurean.
I mean, it is the A15 Bionic or whatever it's got in it is really quick. So yeah, that's so far. Now it's only been a couple of days in, but I really like it. So we're going to do a long-term review on it. Plus, we're going to be doing videos on this being the hub for the smart home. So be on the lookout for that, because we are going to make this the hub and going to show you how to put all the smart home devices that we have here on it. So anyway, if you got any comments and questions, I will try to help you out with that. If you have an Apple TV 4K in your home, let me know. Just say yes or no. That's all you got to do. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. And if you're on Rumble, do the same thing. We're nearing on 2,000 subscribers, and I can't thank you enough for all the comments and well wishes and all the views. I'm enjoying it. This is a fun hobby, and hopefully I'm helping somebody on the way with things that I do. Hopefully that'll give you an idea or a helping hand on fixing something or building something, whatever you want to do. But anyway, there's going to be a couple of videos here that pop up that you might be interested in. We're going to end it right there. Hope y'all are having a great day and a great week. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.